to another. Today we're going to mix things up and reviewing a keyboard. I just picked mine up at Best Buy for under $25. I'm pretty sure it was half off, and it looks pretty sweet. Let's look at the box. So, it's a fully mechanical gaming keyboard, fully programmable and anti-ghosting, fully mechanical blue switch keys, and individually lit LED keys, and has RGB lighting. On the top of the box, we have Alpha Gaming, fully programmable and anti-ghosting, fully mechanical blue switch keys, Viper, and a quick picture of the keyboard. On this side, we have the Alpha Gaming Viper, and the same thing as on the top. On the bottom, same, all of them the same. Now if we switch it to the back, let's shoot the camera. Now you can see the whole thing. It even has some macro keys on it, and fully customizable. Now let's open this up. Now inside the box, we have an included instruction manual, which is pretty nice, and the keyboard itself. And if we take a look at the keyboard, I'm trying to get you see. You can see, you kind of see those blue keys in there. And this is a mechanical keyboard, which is really nice. And then it has in the back these two things that you can flip out, and they could be used as a stand to elevate your keyboard. And I'm going to plug this into my laptop, and we'll look at the RGB. And there we are. Let me dim the lights a bit here. Look at that nice RGB coloring. The quality on this is actually really good for under 25 bucks. It's really nice. Keyboard test. Really nice, really like it. Here. Turn those back on. They come back. Sweet. And yeah, and there's some different types of functions that you could do with this. You can, what is, ooh. I just want to make it row by row. So this is. That's a setting you could do. Another one is this. Just goes row, row. What are some other ones? Oh. Do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, shoot. You make a rainbow. Then I believe if you get it one more time, or that's individual. Let's hit it one more time, and then yeah, you get the white LED. Let's dim these. Yeah, actually, it looks a lot better. So. And the F and then plus the color menu, which is that one. So I'm gonna leave mine on blue. Turn these back on. And I think to get it set, get it back to normal. It's this one. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really actually recommend this computer. Really nice. I really like it. Go to your local Best Buy, pick it up. It's on sale right now, 50% off, 25 bucks. Really good mechanical keyboard if you're just getting started into gaming. And yeah, as always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, guys, and comment down below any other reviews or videos you guys want me to do. Peace.